Hi, my name is Isabella, and I'm a Yes Teen at the St. Louis Science Center, and today we're going to be doing some astronomy. Specifically, we're going to make stars to project on your ceiling. So the first thing you need to do is gather all your supplies. What you're going to need is a Big Dipper printout, stickers, one push pin, a cup, scissors, and a flashlight. The first thing you need to do is get your Big Dipper printout, and you're going to cut that out. I already have one cut out. You're going to take your cup, and you're going to place the paper on top. You're going to take a couple of stickers to hold the paper down onto the cup. After you put your stickers on, you're going to take your push pin and you're going to poke holes on the dots. After you poke your holes, you're going to take your flashlight. You're going to shine it through the cup onto a table or a desk, and it should be a Big Dipper. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos on the channel.